In this video, I just want to go over quickly some of the forms that you'll be seeing in this course. Now, we are going to be working with 2015 forms in TaxWise. This is data entry form for the TaxWise software. But I don't want you to get confused about the fact that, for example, in my orientation to different areas of the tax return, I'll be using a 2014 1040. The fact is that the lines did not change from 2014 to 2015, and they won't change for 2016, obviously, because it's an election year, and therefore they are not going to change the rules because Congress and everybody else is out trying to get reelected. So in most of my markups and orientations to different sections of the tax return itself, I'll be using a 2014 form. But then you'll also see, for example, when I move into, say, tax calculations, that's going to be using the basic transaction or demonstration of how to compute the income taxes through the various rates is using a 2011 brackets, or the 2011 single brackets, which have changed and these amounts have gone up, but the basic concept still remains the same. So what you're learning here is the concept. The tax laws are going to change from year to year, but a lot of the basic concepts remain the same. Same thing happens when we get out to working and learning how to fill out a Schedule C. The demonstration video for that is using a 2012 form. 2012, 2013, 2014, all of the Schedule C's, it pretty much has not changed over the years. They've added some things. This became a new line roughly 2008. They started to ask, I believe, about these 1099s, kind of self-reporting. But for the most part, you're going to see different forms throughout the class where I shouldn't say different forms, but different years of forms. But what we're looking at is the concept and not the year of the form. The lines are going to remain fairly consistent, but I just wanted to alert you to that fact so you didn't become overly concerned about seeing me go through and doing a demonstration on the, say, information box of a tax return, and I'm using 2014 because the information box for 2015 and 2016 tax return will be exactly the same. So just to call your attention to that.